Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings. And in this video, I will show you on how to fix app not install error on your Android phone and install third-party app on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. So I'm going to use this particular app as an example right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the app, and you can see installing the app. Now, do you want to install this app? Click on install. And all of a sudden, you have this message right here, unsafe app blocked. Okay, when you click on got it, it takes you back and tell you that app was not installed. How do you fix this particular problem right here? Let me show you how and get the app successfully installed on your Android device. First thing first, exit from the app, then go ahead and open up your Google Play Store. Having opened up your Play Store, go ahead and click on the profile icon. The next thing you want to do is to proceed to Play Protect. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the setting icon, and it takes you right here. Go ahead and make sure you turn off this. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on turn off. Verify your identity. Hit on enter. Now you have successfully turned off Scan app with Play Protect. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go back to the app on your Android phone. So this is the app right here, and we are going to install it successfully right now. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on the app, installing the app. Do you want to install this app? Click on install. App was installed just like so. It's that simple, and it's going to something like this is going to pump up. Then allow these settings and everything to scan. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on open. So after successful install the app on your Android phone, then you can swipe and take a look at the app icon on your home screen right here on your Android phone. Just like what you see right here, you can see the app has been fully installed. It's that simple. So this is how to fix the problem of app not install error that always pump up each time you want to install a third-party app on your Android devices. Let me know if this particular video actually solved the problem. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.